Today I want to talk about an issue that affects the health and well-being of millions of people around the world. Smoking. If you are a smoker, I'm here to tell you that it's never too late to quit. And if you are not a smoker, I'm here to remind you of the importance of staying away from tobacco. Smoking is a dangerous habit that can cause a range of serious health problems, from heart disease and lung cancer to stroke and respiratory illness. It's also a major contributor to poor air quality and has a devastating impact on our environment. But despite these risks, quitting smoking can be difficult. Nicotine is a powerful, addictive substance, and the physical and emotional habits that come with smoking can be tough to break. But here's the thing. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your health, and with the right support and resources, you can overcome the addiction and enjoy a healthier, happier life. Think about the reasons why you want to quit, whether it's to improve your health, spend more time with your loved ones, or just feel better about yourself. Remind yourself of these motivations every day. Surround yourself with supportive people who care about your well-being, and seek help from a healthcare provider or support group if you need it. And be patient with yourself. Quitting smoking is a process and it may take time, but with determination and persistence, you can do it. So, today I challenge you to take the first step towards a smoke-free life. Whether you are a smoker or not, commit to living a healthy, tobacco-free lifestyle. You deserve it, and the world needs you to be at your best. Thank you for listening, and have a great day.